Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna look at an American-made knife. It's the Buck Ascent. This one's got a aluminium stonewash handle. You got your back lock. You got your pocket clip, and you got a closed length of approximately 11.5 centimeters. When opened, you got your thumb hole, and you got a length of 19.3 centimeters overall. You got that 420 HC American steel. You got a blade thickness of approximately 2.3 millimeters. Comes out razor sharp from the box. Very nice flat design, very easy to carry in your pocket. And this knife has been discontinued, but it's a knife for your everyday guy. And I guess you can still grab it on eBay if you really want to. So that's it for me, guys. Have a nice one.